Welcome to Rigor Mortis, the original one-hearse town. Wanted, dead or alive, Buzz Buzzard.
Hold it, boys, hold it. As your newly elected sheriff, I intend to run this here Buzz Buzzard clean out of the county.
Oh, yeah? Well, you better start a running, Sheriff.
It's a Buzzard!
Now let's see. My first shot was in the rough. Back on the fairway in 2. Over the green in 3. Back on in 4. And took 2 putts. For a 6. This course is a-getting tougher all the time.
Sheriff wanted. Pensions paid promptly to widows. Well, I came along just in the nick of time. Now, where's this guy they call Buzz Buzzard? When I get my hands on that buzzard, I'll tear out his gizzard. Uh-oh.
Now then, which gizzard was you gonna tear out of what buzzard? Hold it, don't nobody move. Me and the new sheriff's gonna have a drink together. Ain't we, Sheriff? What do you have, Shorty?
I'm a-having red-eye. What's yours?
Make mine red eye too. Oh. Well, Sheriff, get drinking. You better draw, Sheriff, 'cause I'm a-coming to get you.
Buzz, old boy. You can do it. Keep up the old fight.
going up?
Going down.
We're stuck. Get out and push.
Hey, Pop! Look, Pop. There's a house.
We'll spend the night there.
Now, Pop, take it easy. Watch out for your high blood pressure. Count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anybody here?
Anybody here?
Anybody
Anybody here?
here? Anybody here?
Anybody here? Nobody but echoes!
Daddy. Daddy!
What do you want?
I want a drink of water.
He's driving me nuts. I can't sleep. What's it with... Here's your water.
Thank you, Pop.
Help! Andy, shut it off! Help! Help! Andy, please, shut it off! Andy, please!
Now, take it easy, Daddy.
Now you sweep in there and be quiet. One, two, 4, 6, 8, 10.
On a quiet street in a quiet little town was the modest home of my neighbor, Percy Pettipoint. This was to be the biggest day in his life. He was going to buy his first dog. He even had the name picked out, Cuddles. This lucky dog was going to have every luxury. At last, Percy Pettipoint's big moment. Not easy to find a small, cuddly dog, is it, Mr. Pettipoint? Oh, I think this is a case of love at first sight. Oh, no, not a great day. That's a mighty big appetite for such a little dog. Yeah, messy, too. Cuddles is going to be trained properly. He caught on quick, didn't he, Mr. Pettipoint? You've got a smart dog. Temper, temper. Mr. Pettipoint, you're spoiling him. Time went on, and Cuddles grew, and grew, and grew, and grew. And as Cuddles grew, so did Mr. Pettipoint's problems. But they were always quickly wiped away. All except the problem of Cuddles' one-track mind. It began to get pretty monotonous, looking for his toaster each morning, wondering where Cuddles had buried the stove.
No!
And the refrigerator. Of course, his bath was always interrupted, and looking at television wasn't easy. It began to get serious when Cuddles interfered with the government mail. He'd had enough. Either Cuddles must mend his ways or he would have to go. I know it's hard to be harsh with such an affectionate dog, but Cuddles had to know who is the master. Here, now, control yourself. Watch the temper. Watch it. I'm afraid this is the last straw. Poor Cuddles. We're going to miss him.
A mad dog. He'll be right over.
Extra! Train missing!
And so Mr. Pettipoint went home and started to dig and dig and dig and dig and dig and dig and dig, 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 dig. It is one thing for sure. There'll be no more dogs in his life. Oh, no, you wouldn't do that to Cuddles. Well, now you've done it. He's gone for good this time. Are you proud of yourself? After all, you taught him everything he knew. He was loyal, faithful, and he loved you. He's back! Gosh, it's good to see him again, isn't it? But wait a minute. Something's wrong here. He couldn't be back. Or could he? Oh, no, it's impossible. You've got real trouble now, Mr. Pettipoint. But everything turned out for the best. People came from miles around to see the moon buried in my neighbor's backyard. Cuddles was forgiven, Mr. Pettipoint became famous, and made a barrel of money. Of course, he couldn't find it.